Most people make the mistake and spray on top of the leaves, and they think they fight it. You can't fight this disease alone from the top. So powdery mildew will start off with white spots on the leaves, which I'm going to show you. And then after a couple of days or a week, it will start looking like more white on the leaf, like whitish grayish. And then you're going to see like yellow burns. And then you're going to see like dried up spot. And then after that, your whole leaves dried up and done. And it starts spreading to all your plants, and it starts taking out your garden rapidly. It's all over your garden because it's moved fast. And the reason why this is happening is because of the humidity. If the humidity and the temperature is really high and you got some rainfall, or you're watering top of your leaves and you have a lot of plant close by, a lot of leaves are on top of each other, it builds up this fungus and this disease and making it stronger. And let's say in the night you have like, in the low 60s, but then during the day you're getting like high 80s. That right there is strengthening up this disease. We have to fight this disease right away before it's too late. Take a closer look. See the white powder spots right there? Look like somebody sprinkled some powder. That's it right there. To fight this disease, you start from back of the leaves. From the back of the leaf, that's where it's starting growing. Look at it right here. Show you up close so you guys could see exactly what you're looking for and what you're dealing. And it's not only on the leaves alone, it will be on the plant stem, the leaf stem, all over. We have to spray. And you wonder what we're gonna spray, right? Most people don't want to put a lot of weird chemicals in the garden. So there's many things that you could spray and fight this problem. Today I'm using baking soda. I don't have any hydrogen peroxide, or else I would be using it. Baking soda works really good when it comes down to powdery mildew. Hydrogen peroxide works really good. Or you could use home milk, regular home milk, and that will get the job done. Check in the description box. I'm gonna leave everything. I'm gonna write everything out so you guys could snap a picture and know exactly how to mix it. So what I normally do, I'll get a container, a gallon container, and I'll put like 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda. You guys could start off with 1 tablespoon just to be careful. Go light dose. Spray this every 4 days. Every 4 days in the evening time you want to spray it. So with my gallon spray bottle, or I just mix with a gallon bucket and then I toss it in here. You could also add a couple of drops from your dish soap. Put a couple of soap in there. That would help like get the liquid stuck and apply on the leaves so it stays on, holds on, and fight this fungus more stronger, more longer on the leaves. We got fall videos coming up. I'm gonna be working to show you guys what seed I'm planting coming up for fall, because we have to start very soon. And if you're new, please don't forget to always click on the red subscribe button. Every time I upload a video, you guys get it right away. Battling with squash bug, downy mildew over there going on, and now powdery mildew, and everything basically. So nothing new here. So the first thing I'm gonna tell you, after you mix your solution, that's the tip of our pumpkin plant all the way over there. So we don't need all these leaves back here. So what you could do is to start to remove all the infected leaf, like this right here. We could come here and prune it out. Very important, don't touch the other plants. Don't compost this. Wash your pruner. You want to clean your hands. Make sure you don't touch your eyes and all that. We don't need this. We're gonna and remove anyone far. You could, if you get the fire pit going on, you could always like burn it or garbage them. So literally you want to get rid of any bad leaves. But I'm gonna get rid of this one, but I want to show you how I am spraying it. So you could see right here, it's all over. Look at the powdery spot. See, I was getting that brown spot. They're gonna be coming up real bad. Man, I don't like it. All right, so first thing first, start from the bottom. You spray from the bottom of the stem. Right there, look, we're gonna spray. Get a nice spray bottle that actually spray nice. You get a good pressure. This one here I like. This one got a good pressure. So you want to spray the main stem, go through right through, all over. Try not to spray your fruit or anything like that. Now we come, top of the leaf, splash, spray it. I will do an update video coming up within a couple days. I'm gonna try to spray this, and then we're gonna wait for another couple days before I do another spray. But before I do another spray, I'm going to show you guys. And next thing what we're going to do, we're going to come back of the leaves. You need to get underneath of the leaves. Look, like the back right there. That's where the bad boy is right there. And spray from the back of the stem. And then you got to go through, right through, and do the same thing. So, I mean, it's a lot. But if we don't stop this, look, spread it onto my squash plant. And you see how it started burning up there? Now it's going to all my squash plants, squash and zucchini. So I'm gonna have to prune out the lower ones and then leave back about 8 to 10 leaves only, and then spray the rest. But look, see, this is what I'm telling you. Once you come in the garden and you don't pay attention, this thing actually spreads really fast, spreads rapid, and move quick. All your pumpkin plants, squash plants, zucchini plant, a lot of flower leaves too. A lot of leaves, man. Oh, look like downy mildew and stuff there. Powdery mildew, downy mildew, whatever mildew you think about, we got it over here, man. So once we spray up top, very important to spray at the back. Let's say an example to like this leaf is not infective right here, but you have a powdery mildew leaf that's touching there, spray that leaf. You don't want that leaf to get any disease. Look right through. So we're gonna have to prune over here to get more better airflow as well. So I wanted to bring you to my other plant again. I show people this right here has that white spots, but it's not like spotted. This is like all over. This is just the plant variety. It's just the pattern. This is not the powdery mildew. You will have to keep up doing this spray every 4 days. You want to come in and spray and then prune out any bad leaves that you don't need. Just make sure the plant have enough leaves and get rid of the rest that infective. But one time spraying will not fight this disease. Even with the downy mildew, you got to keep up fighting it several times. But after several times, and then you keep pruning, you're gonna get a better air circulation. You're fighting it, you're stopping it, you're controlling it. You eventually save your plant, you get production, and you don't have to start back from fresh. Especially if you live in a short garden season, you don't have an opportunity to start back fresh with summer crops. Remember to prune, get air circulation, remove any bad infective leaf, spray your mixture in the evening time, repeat every 4 days. Make sure you get rid of the leaves, do not compost them, and get rid of them in the garbage or burn them, and save your plants and save your harvest and production. We're still in summer right now in Long Island, New York, and next month is August, which is typically time to start seeding for fall time. So I'm gonna start coming up in a couple days, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm seeding and what I'm doing in every step to get a nice beautiful fall garden. If you live in a short garden season, your summer's coming down to the end, the garden season not over, baby. You still could grow many plants. And the one thing I love about fall garden is that we don't have to worry about the hot weather. We just worried about the cold weather, but which takes a longer time. And the plants, like the kale plant and stuff, they love cooler weather, spinach and all that. So we're gonna get massive production that we could freeze and we could share and eat and make lots of smoothies. All right, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos. We got a lot of videos coming up, and I do appreciate everyone who's been watching and subscribing and joining my channel. I do appreciate it. All right, I'll see you guys next time, and please take this disease very serious. It spreads to plants to plants. I know it could get stressed out, but you're hanging there. Everybody's fighting the battle. You're not alone. We're all in this battle together, baby, but we don't give up. We keep going.